we got is, so it's time to build them. So there is an English instruction naman, so that you can follow. Okay, let's stickers. So basically, it's the 6 characters that you can get.